Today, our topic of discussion is Color of My Dreams workbook. So, first thing I would like to tell you that in our workbook we have plenty of grammatical work. Okay, none of the grammatical work will be in exam because that is related to the language book. So, but it will be marked that which parts are going to be used for exam and which are not going to be going to be used for exam. Both will be marked, so kindly pay attention while going through the video. So look at the following sentences. I ran into my doctor at the movies last night. The word run is a verb that you can easily understand, and the into is a preposition. So here verb plus preposition. When it is verb plus preposition, that is called phrasal verbs or group verbs. When the two words are put together, a new meaning is formed. Now run and into, when they are put together, a new meaning is formed here. Run into means to meet someone. Run away when he was very young. Run away means to escape or to leave home. The phrase run into and run away are phrasal verbs. Phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition. So verb plus preposition means phrasal verb, or an adverb which creates a meaning different from the original verb. It will be the same meaning. From pair of phrasal verb with the words put and come, by combining them with the preposition, we have to use the word put and come, these two verbs, and you have to use this preposition, the preposition given below, and then use them in sentence for your own. Consult the dictionary if necessary. One has been done for you. First one is done, that have you come across the new novel by Harry Patterson? Come across mean meet suddenly. Come across mean meet suddenly. Now we have to do with come away, come off, come through. Next one meaning I am going to provide you, that is come through. Come through means to survive or to be successful or succeed. One sentence also I am giving here. So, but you can write the sentence of your own. This is a grammatical part, so it will not be available in your literature examination. But to make your writing better, there should be plenty of use of phrasal verbs. And the sentence is, now the sentence we are going to create for that one is that we finally came through the deep jungle, okay, and reach our destination. Second, it is given, already have done come across and come through. Now I have to do with come away. What is the meaning that we have to get? Come away means to leave due to certain condition. Not abruptly or suddenly. Leave with a reason. Just like we can say, like this, he came away from the team. That means he left the team due to certain reason. Next one is come off. And here you go for the meaning. Come off means to get detached. Just like the tires of the bus came off. That means that got detached from the bus. Now we have done for come. Now we need put. So we need to get, I'll only give the meaning, that is put through, put across, put off, and put away. So we'll only take the meanings for. So first one is put through, that means to implement something, put something into work. Next it is written put across, that means pass or to communicate. Put off means turn off or to stop, and put away means throw or release. Now what I want, you should go through this one in full screen for better view. And the next page, what we have? The next page we have simile is a figure of speech in which things very different kind or equality are compared by using like or as. The moon was like a big white ball. So simile means similarity between two things, just like he fights like a lion in the battlefield. So you can see like is used here. So he is compared to what? He is compared to a lion. So next, if you fill in the blanks are there. I woke up at 6 a.m. feeling as fresh as a daisy. I was as busy as a bee. I had to be as quiet as mouse. After my bath, I was shiny as a new pin, a piece of wood, a velvet. It should be a velvet. I was hungry as a mouse. What's better for a bird? Mouse. When the school bus arrived, I ran up as quick as lightning or thunder. It should be lightning. Create some of your own similes. Think what the highlighted words remind you of. Smelly reminds of garbage. Rotten tomatoes, old socks. As smelly as, you can write old socks. As happy as, now here you have to write by your own. Instead of any predetermined option, we'll write options of our choice. Just first one we'll write as bright as sun, as slow as a turtle, as innocent as a flower, or baby you can write. Okay. As sweet as, you can write mango. As clumsy means lazy. As cat. As happy, pigeon. Pigeon is the bat who remain happy most of the time. Similes help us to make a description vivid. Complete this description of a storm by using similes. You can make up your own similes. Be as imaginative as you can. The lightning cut across the sky like dash. The wind howled like dash. The trees shook like dash. We were as scared as dash. So the lightning cut across the sky like a knife or thread. The wind howled like wolf. The trees shook like what? The trees shook. We can write pendulum. We were as scared as. Now here you have to write. We can write chicken. We can write bunnies. So these are all the similes we have. So you have to use the filling words. You have to take the words from here and replace. First it is written, Harish feels energetic after every round of swimming. Energetic, we'll write active. So active for number 1. Now next, I am afraid of spiders and snake. You can write scared. SCARD, scared. Richa is always polite to everyone. Now we have to replace this term polite. We will write courteous. The girl is fascinated by robots. We can write attracted. Last one, the veterinarian is known for her kindness towards animals. So kindness to be replaced here. So we will use the term sympathy instead of kindness. So these are the exercises till this.